We got, oh, there we go. Macho Man. What's up, bro? We got like 3 people watching and stuff. Sorry, I didn't realize that you guys were here, so I didn't really talk too much right now. But what is up, everybody? I am just, I'm looking at Visa. I'm just looking to see where, it might be headed right now. Do 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 do. Does that look better? Does this chart look better? It looks pretty decent. Sorry guys, I'm just kind of doing like TA and looking at the most recent. I don't like it. Visa's not working too well on channels right now. Unless we could do this. Technically, we could do this. Does that work? And, oh, I did not mean to do that. There you go. What about this? I think there was. I think we could do this. Does that look more appropriate? I don't know. I don't think I like channels on Visa. Clone. Do we like channels? It's rejecting that other channel. Up, down, up. How does it look? We can do. Oh, maybe that's why. Because I'm running on extend. I'm running on regular session. I mean, it looks like it might do pretty well. Yeah, I like it. I think I like it here. It's kind of funky though. I don't know if I'm like too happy with these channels, honestly. Yeah, I don't like these channels. I usually only like running channels if I'm like super happy. Oh wow, it's like breaking out, huh? Yeah, I don't like any of this area. Should be pretty easy though. Hey guys, for everybody here, I'm just kind of chilling, um, looking at like areas of, some nice areas of support here. Like right, yeah, that looks good. As far as where this thing is going, oh crap. As far as Visa, where is Visa going? Visa looks pretty gnarly, bro. Actually, what if we run channels here? This might actually work. Channels here might actually work. What about channels here? These channels, no, I don't like these either. Would this work? Would this work? Channels? No, it had to be. It would have to be here. That channel I like. This I like. I think Visa's gonna keep. Oh wait, what the heck? Whoops. Yeah, that I like for Visa. I like this channel for Visa. That looks a little bit nicer. If you guys want me to do TA on anything, feel free. I'm just kind of. Let me see. What do we do this? How does this look? Nah, same thing. Yeah, channels on Visa look kind of funky. I don't know if I like them. Yeah, nothing I do fits perfectly, and I hate not doing stuff when it doesn't hit like perfectly. Yeah, it's always nice to see what you think about the markets or how your signals work. Hi, where did you get the channels from on TradingView? Right here, bro. Here, I'll show you real quick. So TradingView, you go on your lines, and it should be under channels, right? Parallel channel, right? And let's look. I mean, let's find a better. Right now, I'm looking at commercial services, which we don't have to look at, but let's look at. I think one of them was doing really well. PLTR, yeah. So PLTR works really well on channels, right? And I'm not saying that it's the only thing that works really well on channels. It's I'm just all I'm saying is that there's an obvious trend here, right? You can do it perfectly, and I don't like putting channels unless they work, like unless they're perfect, right? So the way that I set them up, right? You go to your lines, right? You go down to channels. I mean, if you're on your phone, you just scroll all the way right after lines, right? You go to parallel channel. You essentially just look for your trend, right? I'm looking for 2 points of contact minimum, right? So look, we have our first point of contact up here, second point of contact right there, right? That high wick right there. And then I'm just running this all the way down to where, we can see like some really good like trend support like right there, right? It doesn't have to be perfect, but I mean preferably it should be perfect. Let me get rid of this. Right? And that's your channel right there. That's basically it. And then if you want to forecast it even better, you just clone it, right? Because the market likes to move in cycles, and you just move it all the way up, right? I mean, you could do this, right? If you're being super like that, you could do that, right? And then we can get rid of this one, and then grab this, and then clone that one, clone it, and then drag this one right there, right? And you're essentially what is that? Magic? What does this do? Oh, what the heck? Is that new? Oh, that's cool. I didn't know we even had that. I don't even know what that's for, but that's kind of cool. There you go. Let's do arrow. Nah, I like the cross better. Yeah, so that's essentially it, right? That's basically how I draw my channels. And I mean, as you can see, it's been pretty nice recently, right? For the most part, it hits, right? Hits, hits, hits. Am I running this on? Actually, let me run this on the 24-hour. 24-hour session extended, right? Yeah, it's not bad. So for PLTR, like I'm definitely super bullish right now, right? Up here towards at least like 1956, right? Look at that. This on the 24-hour and the daily. Yeah, I long this for sure. Let me see. Let me double check. So the daily is, yeah, bullish. The 4-hour is bullish on the high side. Your 8-hour is still, yeah, everything's bullish. There's no reason to not long PLTR, right? After hitting channel down here, there's no reason to not long back to like 1943. So that's basically where you get your channels from. I hope that answered your question, bro. AMD has broken its 164 all-time high. Now it's now support on the daily. Let me check, bro. I don't know. I haven't really seen AMD in a while, so let's check. I don't even know what I have on the. I actually don't know what I have on the. There you go. Oh, it recovered. Nice to see. Like this. This is a perfect example of the channels working really well. There you go. See? Oh wait. Am I running this on? Let me see. What about regular trading hours? Yeah, there you go. This should work a little bit better. Nah, this actually works better on extended. There you go. That's perfect. So, see, came up the channel. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Let's go for the 24 hours. Right? It's very easy here. This thing looks like the AMD looks like it's gonna moonshot to here. I don't even need my right. I don't even need my things to let you know, right? Like it looks like it's gonna moonshot to 195. I could definitely see AMD going to 195. Again, you came down, right? Like I told you guys, I think I made a video about this, right? Where's the arrow? Super, super easy here. Just you long AMD. The next, I'm pretty sure minimum. I think AMD's headed to at least 183. I'd say minimum. That's where my next guess. My next guess is for AMD. Where are where are the arrows, bro? Here, it's gonna do this and drop, or it's gonna run from here all the way up to there. Dude, why is my trading view have such a delay? Dude, what is wrong with this? That's weird. That's such a huge delay right now, and I have no idea why. Does this need an update? No, it's working. But yeah, yeah, this looks solid. This looks solid right now. Yeah, up, down, or up here. I'm 99% sure you're going to 184.60, like around this area, right? And I don't even need my indicators to tell you that, right? Look at that. You're about to do a VC on the 4 hour. What happened last time? You ran from 146 all the way towards 183. You did a $40 run. So I mean, I can forecast to you guys exactly where this thing's gonna go, right? Look, just clone this. You unlock it. Run the channel up like a little bit, like right there. You lock it, and that's it, right? After you break this 196, you're more than likely going to 207 before you see any kind of rejection. So yeah, this looks pretty solid towards the upside. And you can even take this long based off of trend touch, right? And then you actually having a lower low here, and it being a bullish candle and closing above this, the close, or the open. I mean, the close of this closing above this close right here. So, I mean, we can give you guys really good examples of other times that that's happened where you just kept pushing. So let's look for that, right? We can look for bottoms, right? So this low right here was 116.37. 116.46. So this is a high. I don't like that one here, right? Bear candle, push down, and then you have a lower low. You have a low here. You break the low, and then your close is above the close of that bear candle. And what happens? That's the low. You push super hard, right? Um, Other cases again here, right there, right? Your low right here is lower than this one, right? You close this bull candle above this close. What happens? Boom, push up. This case, this one would have been bad, right? Because you did not keep pushing right here. Same thing here, right? Low. This candle, this bullish candle low, this close was above this close. Push up, right? This close, right, was above this close. You push up. This close was above that close. You push up, right? So I mean, you can do something really simple on like here. I'll do you guys even better. I don't know if I should be doing this live, but what is this? This is a here. We can run this, bro. You guys want to trade on Pine, right? So, uh, like write a Pine script that's write a Pine script where current candle is bullish, current candle candles low is lower than previous candle, and current candles close is above previous candles close, and current candle and previous candle is bearish. There you go. So run that, right? Copy that code, come over here, go to Pine Editor, drop that in, run it. Hey, what the fuck? This represents a bullish condition where the current candle is bullish, the current candle's low is lower than the previous candle, and the current candle's close is above the previous candle's close. It has the pattern on the chart and the plots. Oh, that's not what I'm looking for. That's horrible. Let me see. Let's run this, right? If you guys ever want to make like a script, just go on ChatGPT, bro. It's super easy. I don't know how to script on Pine. I mean, I do a little bit. Let's see. Current candle closes. Oh wait, previous candle. Let me see. Right, current candle is bullish. What the heck? The current candle is right. The current candle is bullish. Oops. Right, two. The previous candle is bearish. Three. The current candle's close is above the previous candle's close, and then the current candle is bullish, the previous candle is bearish. The current candle's close is above the previous candle's close, and the current candle's low is lower than the previous candle's low. There you go. So we just saw that pattern right now, right? And then you're just having ChatGPT write the script, right? You basically grab that script. There you go. And just like that, we're done, bro. Look at that. Look, on the hour, look at this. You can basically run this, right? On the when you have like when you essentially have like a nice little drop on like any kind of bearish candles, right? So you can kind of add on to this and be like, hey, only give this to me if you have like a, if the previous three sequences of a bearish candle is, you know, at minimum three bear candles, then you're done, right? Look at that, right? And you can run this like really easily just on anything. And this is a 24 hours, right? If you do like 4 hours, let's do 4 hours. Let's get out of here. Watch session. Let's go to regular trading hours, right? So regular trading hours is kind of crappy, but if you go to extended trading hours, right, you can see for the most part it does really well. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Like that pattern is pretty consistent where you can do really well just trading that pattern, right? I mean, it's kind of confusing because we have like those what is it called? Those session colors are killing me, bro. Uh, Symbol, status line, previous, aftermarket, background. Yeah, let's go with nothing because that's bothering me. See, you can run this with like another indicator to let you know if there's like a low, like right here, right? Next candle, boom, bullish. Next candle, boom, bullish. This one would have failed. You would have gotten at least something, right? But again, you have to look for something that works on the daily, right? That candle pattern it happens a lot, but what if we add this to Pine editor. There you go. So here, would have been bullish here. You would have taken that long. Bullish here, taking it long. Bullish here, taking it long. Yeah, my indicators are way more accurate, but you know what I mean? Like you can basically just run whatever, whatever you're looking for. It's pretty cool. Your 492 calls were amazing on Spy. Oh yeah, yeah, those are pretty cool. I think Spy's coming down though. I don't know if you guys saw my recent video. Um, Spy's probably coming down, bro. Like I'll just tell you that right now. Spy is more than likely coming down to right. You already hit channel up here. Right, this pioneer is gonna mess me up. Give me a second. Parallel channel. Where's my bullish reversal? Get rid of that. And then we are there. You go. Yeah, this is. I'm pretty sure just because you already hit the top of channel, right? This would have been a perfect short here at 495. So I am thinking that we're probably gonna drop here, and then from here push up, right? Just because you also do have a small variation of this would actually turn into somewhat of an inverse head and shoulders. And inverse head and shoulders have a really, really good um, chance of playing out, right? Especially on SPY, right? So yeah, I think we have a really good chance of coming back down and then pushing up, right? And if we also go on SPX 500, have this running on Black Bull, I think. SPX 500. Oh, there you go. Black Bull markets. Yeah, there we go. See, same thing. You hit top of trend, and I told everybody in the Patreon, I was like, hey, like if you reverse to the low side and close a 4 hour candle like this, right, under this channel, you're probably going to come back down here. So for SPX, I'm like 90% sure we're going to 494 before bouncing back up, or you're coming back down right here. But, it's a very, I don't want to say simple play here, but it is I don't it is pretty, the obvious thing that's going to happen is you're going to go to the lower end right here, right? You're gonna drop because you already retested the top of channel, and I think you're probably gonna come down and bounce, right? Or you're gonna keep dropping hard, and that's gonna depend on the daily. Because I mean, it looks like right now you're gonna push again towards the upside, but I don't think it's until after you come back down here and then you push up. So as of right now, I am bearish on Spy, but not like ads will run shortly for some viewers. Hell yeah, bro, give me that money, dude. Um, yeah, my long-term channels on Spy make it look like there's much more room towards 575. Yeah, I mean, we're probably still going up, bro. Like it's Spy, right? Like it's probably gonna be a good idea. But I recommend, I mean, not recommend, but right, it's your money. But yeah, Spy is ultimately going up. I think it's going to 500. I think it's a guarantee for 2024, whether you hit it to, tomorrow or in December, right? I think it's a guarantee. Um, oh, Flair, what's up, Flair, dude? That's interesting. MD has been gold. Yeah, MD has been insane, bro. Nvidia 720 calls 2 weeks out. I don't know, bro. Let's look into Nvidia. I'm pretty sure I made a video where I said Nvidia is gonna run to like 653. Yeah, I wouldn't long here. I would not long here. If anything, I'd short Nvidia right now, back down to like 620. This is what VC on the daily. Oh, that's kind of hard actually. Hmm. When does it usually like coming down? On a bear. On a bear. No, it's been pretty good on. Oops. Oh, I guess I gotta lock these. I guess they're not locked. These aren't locked. I don't think they're locked. Well, let's run the 24 hours. Do I need to redo my channels? Maybe. I don't know if I need to redo them or not. Here, let's try to redo the channels on the 24-hour. So we'll do this. Standing next to you. Standing next to you. Standing next to you. Like this. Dude, there's such a huge delay on my. Actually, no. Let's run it. Let's run it on the 2 day. There we go. 2 day should be a little bit easier for me to see. I mean, everything looks bullish on. Everything says bullish still on the video. So we're looking for, again. You're looking for points of interest, right? And that's basically what's going on here. That's your point. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. That is absolute perfection right there. I'll do this like this. Let's do that is perfection. That's perfection right there. I love that actually. I love that. Yeah, you've been consistent here. You touch, you keep running, touch, touch. Yeah, I'd short. I definitely look into shorting. I wouldn't say you're gonna drop a whole bunch. I'd probably run this to like right here. See if I can run this a little bit tighter. Man, I can't really. I hate because I'm using my laptop, so it's kind of hard to run this. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't run this on a higher channel just because it looks like it does like those smaller areas of movement. But yeah, I definitely think the video's peaked. I would be 100% comfortable shorting the video right here. And that's why you need channels, right? Because you need to know where to forecast. And that's why these work so well. Because all you're doing is just cloning all you're doing is just cloning the cycle. There you go. Boom, you're done. I'd 100% shorten the video right here. 100%. I take the short all fucking day. All fucking day, bro. All fucking day. Let me see. Yeah, I take the short all day, dude. All day long. I take the short. My guess is you're probably going from. Look at this delay, bro. Why is this so delayed? I'd say short this from here back down to 628, and then you probably pop. Oh my God, let me move this over here. Right, and then you probably pop up to here, or you keep dropping somewhere down to like here, dependent on dependent on where earnings is. But these guys are killing it, bro. I mean, I don't know what to tell you, right? 20%, 11%, 30%, 20%. Yeah, so their earnings are going a little bit lower. I'd say their earnings won't come out as good as expectations. Um, but I definitely think the video is gonna be bullish. There's no reason for us to not come out for them to not come out with the good earnings, right? So I'd say at most probably short it like here to 624 at most, right? And that's before February 21st when their earnings is. But like I said, I definitely do think they're gonna come right back down. Man, everything is saying bullish, so that's the crazy part. Like I don't. I mean, I know it's touching trend, but I don't think I would want to short this unless there's like more. Yeah, even the VC, bro. Like even here, like man, this is kind of hard to. Let me see. Where's the last time we ran a VC on the daily? Look at this. The last time we hit a VC was up here, 290, but then you just kept gapping up into earnings, and into earnings you gapped up even more. Yeah, bro. I don't know. That's kind of hard. Look at that. It's been so perfect on every entry on the daily since God knows when. Look at that. Every single daily has been insane, bro. Look, you would have longed right here, right? You would have longed here, 437, taking this all the way up to 500. You would have longed here, right, at 423, long this all the way up to 474. You would have longed this here at 437. You would have dropped down a little bit, but then you would have pushed up, right? That was what, October 24th to November 14th. So that's what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks? Again, you would have longed here, 464, ran this all the way up to either 500, or if you had kept a little bit longer, 550, right? You would have ran this again at 524, all the way up to now, all the way up to 662, bro. That's just like month out, right? Look, January 8th, we're at February 2nd, so month out calls, dude. You would have made so much fucking money on the video just on these indicators, bro. Look at that. That's ridiculous, bro. And again, you can run this for anything. But yeah, Nvidia, as much as I want, actually, as much as I would want to short this, this looks like it's gonna go up, bro. Like yeah, I wouldn't go against it. Like right now, my single like, here's what I can tell you, right? If you close at any point in time, you close this like a daily, right, or maybe even a 4 hour, right? If you close a 4 hour, like, let me see, where's like my right? If you close like a 4 hour candle, like up here, oh, why is it showing up like that? Oh, I don't want that. I guess with Nvidia, it's really just about like the risk, right? So where's the settings on this? Extend, don't extend right. I want this to be blue. Let's do blue border, and then the background also. Let's do blue. Sure. Right. So you need a candle to close up like this. That's basically it. That's what you need a candle for. Right. You need a candle to close. Let me make this a little bit easier for you guys. Right. You need a candle to close above this trend. If it closes anywhere up here, you're probably going to shoot up to 700 before earnings. But if you get the same candle, right, and you start closing this, oops, right, you get that same candle and you go down like this, but it's a bear candle, right? So we'll do this. You get a bear candle, but you now close down this way, right? Then that's your sign to short down this way. So it really just depends on the next candle on this trend, right? It really can go either way. So at this point, you can either long towards 706, or you can short this down here, right? Like, I mean, like I said, I'd probably wait a bit because we don't know yet. But you could take a short here, and it'd be perfectly viable short. And your short would be this essentially. Where's that short position? Short. You literally short at open tomorrow morning at open. You short. You run this down to trend, right? And then your stops would be up here at like a little bit above like 668. This is gonna be your short, right? And your long would be the exact same thing towards the upside, right? If you're trading futures, this is a no-brainer, right? If you're trading futures, this is an easy long either way or a short. Look at that. There it is right there. That's your long or your short. You're either shorting from here, your stops are here at like 66833 if you're swing trading or whatever, futures. And this, you're running this all the way up to trend. This is like you're if you risk $100 here, $100 there, you're risking $100 to make 700, $100 to make 1,000. This should be one of the easiest trades of anybody's life right here. You can probably do a what is it, straddle strangle, and you can probably buy in the money. What is it, 661 puts and calls for like a month out, and I can guarantee you that this shit's gonna go to either $710 or drop to 622. I can guarantee you this thing in like a month or two, it's gonna be here or it's gonna be here. Easiest fucking trade of your life. So I hope that answers your Nvidia 710 question, bro. I I went a little bit deeper into it, but it doesn't make sense to long or short, but it makes sense to do both. You know what I mean? You post your plays on Patreon? No, that's up to you guys. I don't do signals, bro. I teach you guys TA, and you guys can do all that other stuff. You can ask Flair, right? Flair does fantastic. Everybody in the chat does great. with everything that I've like taught them or stuff that we like talk about. Like people do fantastic, but I don't what is it called? I don't do signals. I don't like doing signals because I don't like being responsible for people's money. Like I mean, eventually, if I ever open up like a fund, then that's different, right? But yeah, as of right now, I don't do signals. I know I can probably make like a crap ton of money on signals, right? But I don't. I could scam you guys real easily on signals. Like I can probably say, oh, everybody go buy SPX 0 DTE 490 calls. I get 1,000 people to go in there to up the price of that specific call, and I get out, right? I basically fuck everybody that I know over. I can do that all day long if I just started like a signal group, right? I can basically like up the volume and the price um, of an option. That's what a lot of big like what is it called, like traders do, like like gurus and stuff, right? They have a big following, so they say, oh, I'm gonna give you guys a signal. They buy like an SPX 0 DTE call for in the money for 490, and then you have such a huge volume of people buying these fucking calls that that amount of money goes up, right? So it's essentially what happens is if you have like something that's you know if you have something that's like very low volume, like a neo call, right? And there's like 50 people interested in that call, and all of a sudden your volume flow goes up to like 1,000, right? I bought that call for $10, and because there's so many people buying it now that call is worth $50, right? And I did nothing but just post it out to everybody, right? That's basically what's happening. So yeah, that's kind of it. That's what a lot of people do that have like a really big following. Walmart stock split news. I'm bullish long term. Yeah, Walmart's great, bro. Just the hold and stuff. Like we're never gonna be bad with uh with Walmart. SANM had a huge earnings gap. I like its technicals. SANM. I have no idea what that is. SANM. Dude, is my internet my internet's wonky right now. SANM. It's the first time I hear about this. This looks like an easy setup though. See if I can do this. Yeah, I like this one. I don't like that. Do I like this? I kind of like this, right? I could just run. Honestly, I could just run like weekly support and resistance. But channels have been so good that it's kind of hard to not just run channels for everything. It gives you a really good idea of where to like take profit and stuff. And again, if you want to ever trade like on channels, you only ever trade when it hits a trend. That's it. Oh, my daughter's awake, so I'm probably gonna have to end this live a little bit early. I just heard her voice, and I want to go hang out with them. There we go. Mm, let me see. Let's look at this a little bit more closely, guys. Where's the 2 day? Yeah, we can probably just run weekly, and we can probably just run the weekly resistance here. Boom, there you go. To make this easier. Done. 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 Hi, Mama. Poppy's coughing a little bit. Oops. Yeah, these are basically your levels right now. Let me see. Do we have any more levels here? I do like this actually. I like it here. Yeah, just on this, unless you break to the upside, you're probably gonna do this. Go back to like 56 on San Mina Corporation, right? I can see that happening because he definitely broke to the upside. Let's see, where are we at? What did it do last time it broke here? It's had a lot of, yeah, see, you can see here, it's had a lot of resistance at 64. You have a lot of sellers here, bro, right? One, two, and then three here, too. Like, you've had a lot of sellers here. Oh, yeah, dude, this is not gonna. I mean, it's been slowly going back up, very, very, very slowly. You're bullish on the month. Weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish. The 4 hour is about to go bullish. You have support here at 59.68. Yeah, I guess you could long this if it holds up. If it doesn't break that 59.68 here, the next time it comes down here, maybe like long this back up to like 61.93 or higher. Yeah, I can see longs here for sure. Where did the hour close? Hour is bearish. Yeah, I'd wait. Yeah, it does look like it likes to pop on the hour. So I'd wait till the hour comes back down, maybe around here, 59.84. Yeah, I'd say 59.82-ish, 59.84, and then run this up. That seems like a really good idea. Would this like would this push me out to more people if I do this? What did Flare say? Flare looks good. Omar. Oh, what's up, bro? Shout out to Omar. Everybody go give some hearts, bro. How does this work? It's 2 o'clock. I'm probably gonna look at Bitcoin right now, and then I'll just call it. I'll call it a day. Where's Bitcoin? Yeah, yeah, still bullish. Yeah, see, yeah, Bitcoin's about to run. At most, like I told everybody on the chat, at most you're gonna come back down here, and then you're gonna pump. But you know, still, you're like on a nice. This would still be technically like right here. Yeah, you're like in a nice, like very elongated inverse head and shoulders. So I'd long this up to. I think we're probably going to like a 448 if we're just looking at trends here, but you're probably gonna push up to like 44K. In which case, coin is probably gonna keep moving up as well. So coin, yeah, coin broke, right? Coin broke that trend, so it does look like you're gonna start pushing up a little bit. There you go. Yeah, I had long coin. Coin looks like a really good long right now towards the. There you go. Yeah, coin looks like a really good long up to like 137 ish, like back up to here probably. looks like a really good long. Coin looks pretty solid. Oh, my daughter is coughing a whole bunch. Yeah, so I definitely look at longing coin. It looks good. Daily, daily still bullish, right? No reason to not long. We can run. Where's the Heikinishi candles? Heikinishi was bullish here, but again, you don't long until it actually converts over, or you can run the Renko, right? Look at that. The Renko is perfect. You can run this on a lower time frame, like the 30-minute, 15-minute. Where's it? Again, always do what's like relevant, right? See, 4 hour turn bullish right here. There's no reason to not long. Preferably though, I'd go with the Heikinishi candles, right? You can do that. So again, this is moving all to like a whole different platform, guys. Like I'm not gonna be, I'm not a what is it called? Elon at 1624 versus 1651. What about the daily? Daily on here. Nope. On there. Came right back down. Yeah. That's how the trend works, honestly. What about Neo? I haven't looked at. Let's look at something random. Stocks. We'll do sectors. Let's do miscellaneous. The VIX? No, I don't want to do the VIX. Let's do all sectors. Let's do technology services. Let's go with. Let's go with this one. Twilio. There we go. Let's go back to candles. This will be the last TA. I'm gonna go hang out with my. Oh damn, this looks ugly. No man, my daughter's been coughing a whole bunch, so it's a little scary. Where is? Oops. Where are the channels lines? There you go. We'll run it there. This is on the weekly. Oh, I didn't click anything. Let me see. Yeah, you're like mid. You're like mid channel right now. Unless, let me see. Let's do this. I think I know what to do. Clone. Run this up. There you go. You clone this. You run this down. Let's run this. There you go. And then you clone. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Run this boy. Clone that. Run this down. Clone it again. Run it down. That's perfect. There you go. So it looks like you are holding your uptrend a little well right here. You're still bearish on the weekly. The daily, you're just chilling. The 4 hour. 24. How's it held up? Yeah, you're just kind of. Whoops. You're just kind of. Damn it. Let's go to 2 day. Let's go to 3 day. There's too much noise right now, right? That's why I want to go with candles that are a little bit more. Yeah, 3 day looks solid. You're chilling here. What happened last time? Chilled, came down, popped, came back down up here. You broke already, so it looks like you're just kind of chilling here. The next level is February 14th. Yeah, I'd probably long this back to 79 and then get out. I think we're more than likely gonna head back up. Just looking at trend, this does look like you're gonna come back up here. You've held this really well, so I wouldn't be surprised if by before earnings you pop back up. Honestly, that looks like what's gonna happen. So just on, yeah, even on channels, right? Like you can very easily just look at everything. It's like a Coke. Coke looks like it's gonna push back up to 62 bucks. And this is on, let me see the weekly. Oh damn, the weekly has been disgusting here. Look at that. Immediately recovered. That's perfect right there. What about WeWave? You know what I haven't used? I haven't used WeWave in a while. Ah, WeWave. WeWave dot app. I think that's what it is. Are you still in the Tesla 210 calls? No, well, I'm not in 210 calls. I'm like in, my calls are like 180, 190 ish. Um, but yeah, I'm still in Tesla, but they're like 3 weeks out, so I got a lot of time, and I'm just kind of chilling, right? So this does look like you're getting ready to like just completely just pop to the upside, right? Everything's bullish right now. I am expecting Tesla to go, to definitely bounce towards the upper end, right? Because look at the weekly. So I am looking for a bounce at least up to like maybe like a 214 somewhere up there. I'm looking for somewhere like a push up there. That's what I'm thinking is going to happen with Tesla. There you go. See, look how easy that those channels are for Tesla. Run this, clone this. Oh, that's not good actually. This looks like it's gonna come right back down. That's not good. I don't like that. That does not look good. I don't like that. Channel. You broke channel. This did not recover above 204, but the low should be low 180, low 182. Oh, that doesn't look good. This looks like it might come down at 167. I might have to get out of these calls. That doesn't make me happy. Let's see, what about this? What the heck? I can do this. There you go. That seems good. What if I run the other channel? Because this one looks perfectly fine too. Look at that. It looks like a perfect channel as well. So what if we clone this? I guess this might be better because it is technically a downtrend. There you go. Yeah, actually this one's great. See? Trend. Bounce up from trend. Bounce down from trend. Yeah, this looks perfect actually. I actually like this one a lot better. Clone. Run this down. There you go. That's perfect. Look at these. Channels, bro. Look at that. So Tesla, you're basically done running channels, right? Look at this. And if I ever want to know where Tesla might be going if it breaks, clone, unlock, run this up here, lock. There you go. Next level on Tesla, if it breaks this high right here, you're going to 277, right? If you break this trend, this channel up here, and it usually likes to break it with, yeah, see, you can break it with like a nice little daily here. Boom, you keep pushing up. And this on the weekly. Let me see. I would need to know. Yeah, I would need a second daily to be above there. See, you break, come back down. You would need a nice daily candle to be up there. Cause look, you would need two consistent daily candles. Cause otherwise, that doesn't make sense. See, daily candle, big push up, and then you go to trend. Maybe the 2 day has a better idea of what to do on Tesla. What do the 2 day candles look above break? So candle break, candle break, candle break, candle break. So if you're in a nice little structure there, yeah, yeah. Look, see, you're already starting to see a lot of support. So I'd say, yeah, I'd say this definitely pushes at least to like 209, 210 before either dropping. So from here, I'm definitely thinking that you jump up like you push like this, right, and then come back down. Man, my thing is so delayed right now. Come back down, or you come from here back up to 240. So I'd probably get out. I'd probably get out of calls right here at like 209, 210. Maybe wait for, what is it like doing? After it breaks here, it breaks and then likes pushing up, breaks, likes pushing up, breaks, likes pushing up. Weekly is about to go bull. Yeah, I think I would probably hold my. Yeah, I'd probably hold my calls then. I'd extend them. If these hit right, if this goes back up here, I would more than likely extend my calls out to potentially hit 240. And then again, you can do the same thing with like Rivian. Rivian's probably if Tesla pushes up, look at that, you're on trend. If you run the 2 day, 2 day just closed, so you would be maybe long like a month out. You would get out before earnings though, definitely. But I can see Rivian at 1846, possibly $20. And then again with Neo, same thing. Tesla moves. Neo's right above trend. You already closed that 2 day, right? But every 2 days been kind of crappy on Neo, so I wouldn't trade Neo here. It doesn't look like it's been reacting all that well. But yeah, yeah, very easy. I mean, I don't know how to tell you guys. It's the indicators make it very easy. See, look at Apple. Apple has some nice immediately reacted after hitting that trend right there, right? So this you can probably short down, or you can long it to 192. Apple, we can go to Meta, right? Meta already broke every single range here, right? So Meta's done a great job of trading within these channels, right? Broke, broke, broke. Meta, there's two things that you can do right now. Whoops. Clone this towards the upside. Oh, I gotta unlock it. Right? Meta. Oh, look, Meta already hit trend. Look at that. See? Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. It already perfectly hit that channel, bro. Perfect. So as of right now, Meta is gonna do one of two things. We're probably gonna have to go back to like a lower time frame. What about the 4 hour? Yeah. So Meta, since you already hit right here, down and up, I can almost guarantee you Meta is gonna go back down to like a 469, go a little bit lower, or it's gonna do that. So if you don't hit 469 by Monday open, you can probably short this like $1 and then either long back up to 485 or you short this down to 453. Right? Every single 4 hour has been kind of crappy, so I definitely would be more biased towards the bull side on Meta. Right? Meta, let's go with some random ticker. Let's go with CRM. I just saw CRM, I think. What about, let's go with Starbucks, right? Starbucks, 2 day, 2 days. It's been on a 2 day for a bit. What about 3 days? 3 day reacts not that well. Came back down, popped up hard. What does it do when it hits this channel? Hits channel, pops up, pops up. Yeah, it long. It's on a. It's on a. It's on a. It's still on a trigger, right? I would definitely long still. I wouldn't short it. You obviously have your stops. Like if you break this low of like 91, like I'd definitely get out. But you just close the 4 hour, right? 4 hour, boom. You close 93, 106. Closed. You went from. Oh, but I wouldn't have touched this because you weren't on trend yet. So let's look at the 4 hour on it after trend. You hit. Yeah, see, you closed the 4 hour right here, 4 day on trend. You touched trend, and then this was 75 up towards 79 in what, May 10th to June 2nd. So you definitely have to be cautious of how much time you have to like long, right? But you already closed the 4 day. I definitely long this up to like 101 on Starbucks, right? And then you already have the divergence you need here. So where's my where's my little brush? Right, you already have your divergence here, right? You have your low, you have your lower high, and then you have the divergence on the stochastic, right? Look at that. There you go. You already hit the lows, right? That's basically your cue to long it here. So again, Starbucks. If you want to get in shares, very easy shares. If you want to long for 2 months out, very easy long, 2 months out. So I think with that being said, I'm probably gonna end it. Apple looks ready for the bounce. Care baby girl, coughing it up. Yeah, I'm gonna head out just cause she's coughing a whole bunch. But yeah, with that being said, guys, have a great weekend. I'm gonna head out. It was nice going live for a bit with you guys. But I think I'm gonna end it there because I've already been on for an hour. So have fun. Have a great weekend. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll probably make a video and then we'll kind of go from there. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.